Hi, I'm Reno, and I know how to sniff out good fixer-upper deals. This fixer-upper is in Wishon, California, and overlooks Bass Lake. It's a cool old house, but it needs some fixing up. It needs the kitchen remodeled, needs the living room spruced up a little bit, could use some new countertops. With a renovation loan, you can include money to fix up and modernize this kitchen and this bathroom, and it has a beautiful deck overlooking Bass Lake. You go downstairs, then you're going to find one, not two, but three nice little bedrooms. So if you're interested in learning more about this fixer-upper in Bass Lake with this spectacular view and this nice little house with this boat dock for your boat, to get pre-approved for this fixer-upper or anyone, go to readyforremodel.com.